Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be learning about extendable hashing under the subject of file structures. Introduction to extendable hashing. Extendable hashing is a dynamic hashing technique used to improve the performance of hash tables. It is based on a concept of a directory and a set of hash tables where each hash table has a fixed number of slots. It is commonly used in database systems, file systems, and operating systems. Directory structure. The directory is a table that contains pointers to the hash tables. The directory size is typically a power of 2 and it can grow dynamically as needed. Each entry in the directory corresponds to a bit pattern that represents the hash value of a key. Hash table structure. Each hash table has a fixed number of slots, typically a power of 2. Each slot contains a bucket that can hold one or more key value pairs. The hash function maps the key value to a slot in the hash table. Inserting a key value pair. To insert a key value pair, the hash function is applied to the key to determine the slot in the hash table. If the bucket is full, a new hash table is created and the directory is updated to include a pointer to the new hash table. The key value pair is then inserted to the bucket in the new hash table. Retrieving a value. To retrieve a value, the hash function is applied to the key to determine the slot in the hash table. The bucket in the slot is then searched for the key. If the key is not found in the current hash table, the directory is used to find the correct hash table. Splitting a bucket. When a bucket becomes full, it is split into two buckets. The directory is updated to include pointers to the new buckets. The bit pattern corresponding to the hash value of the key is extended by 1 bit to differentiate between the two buckets. Merging buckets. When a bucket becomes empty, it is merged with its sibling bucket. The directory is updated to remove the pointer to the empty bucket. The bit pattern corresponding to the hash value of the key is shortened by 1 bit to merge the two buckets. Advantages of extendable hashing. It supports dynamic resizing of hash tables without incurring the cost of rehashing. It provides a uniform distribution of keys across hash tables, reducing the likelihood of collisions. It allows for efficient retrieval of values using a single hash function. Disadvantages of extendable hashing. It requires additional memory to store the directory and pointers to hash tables. It can suffer from poor performance if the directory becomes too large, leading to cache misses and increased search times. It can be complex to implement and maintain. Conclusion. Extendable hashing is a powerful technique for implementing dynamic hash tables. It provides efficient insertion and retrieval of key value pairs and support dynamic resizing. It is commonly used in database systems, file systems, and operating systems. Thank you for listening. If you like the video, do like, share, and subscribe.